How to unhide Facebook post from timeline. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, begin by launching the Facebook app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon at the top right again to access your settings. After that, scroll down toward the bottom of the page and select Activity Log. Now inside the Activity Log, click on the down arrow beside the Post option. From the drop-down menu, select Post Hidden from Profile to view all the posts you have previously hidden. Once you find the post you want to unhide, click on the three horizontal dots next to it. Then choose Add to Profile from the menu that appears. By doing this, the post will be unhidden and will now show up again on your timeline.